right, guys, let's go outside. Come on. Let's go outside. Oh, there we go. Oh, where are you going? Come back here. Whoa. What in the world? It's like they knew something was out here. What in the world? What was that? Sometimes I wonder, what do they see that we humans don't see? How do they sense it? That is just bizarre, isn't it? Wow. I did not expect that. I'm like, all right, let's just go outside. Next thing you know, they're freaking out. Anyway, hope y'all are doing well. It's Friday evening. We're hoping to do a fire pit tonight. Looks like the weather may or may not cooperate. We'll find out. We've only been able to do one fire pit so far, and the weather has been rainy. We'll see. But anyway, the dogs are out here just running around having fun, and just wanted to throw a quick video on the channel. Hope you guys have a great weekend.